Hi, what drive learnings? Right, I'm not sure about you, but it's for me, right? I drive, I learn because I'm curious, right? I want to know what. It's been the talk about that the Euro bans on using palm oil. And I have this data from MPOCs, right? So I have done this. So I want to know how many countries here are from the Europe. And I have Wikipedia's data here as well, right? So I want to find a kind of like look up from this, right? Using Afghanistan, go here and check Afghanistan is from what country, from what region, right? Afghanistan is Asia and Pacific. So, well, I figured out that there is a tool called um, PowerQuery. So I load it up into PowerQuery, and I have this data here. So once I have this, I want to look up that data here, right? But before that, I know that there are some value which is not quite right, such as, and also I want to remove this total line. So I go to home, I choose remove rows, the bottom top rows, and also I also know that uh, the USA does not match with. This is kind of a minor things, right? USA does not match with the United States right here. Yeah, use United States with United States, right? And here is USA. So how do I replace that? Is that I add a column, add a condition columns. Over here I change country. I say that if it's USA, I want to change it back to the United States. Otherwise, will be just country, and just temporarily make it. All right, so it doesn't work that way. But let's just go to advanced editor. We change it to right here. Done. Correct. I can see that. So So we have effectively removed that USA now became United States. And another one that is essential would be the Brunei Darul Essan, right? This one, right? Brunei Darussalam. So I will come back to this here Brunei Darussalam. I'm gonna make use of that to match with this. And then what I do is that again I want to add a column on the maybe I just use the edit column, right? I add another lines in the country else if is equal to that, uh, sorry, if equal to Brunei, right? I want to change to Brunei but all in capital letter. Darussalam, Darussalam. Okay. Otherwise, it's just go with that. Go ahead with that. So we can see the change right now. I don't want this column. Remove it. Country. All right. So we're ready to do a merge. So go to the transform. Um, no, home tab for the movement. Then I go to the merge query. Merge is the new one. And now I'm ready to move with this country and country and click. Yep, one or two, right? So we have this data. Now you can see Afghanistan is from this region. So I want to only look at these particular regions, and I don't need this data. Six. So right here. So now I'm very interested to know. You see, I'm actually merging that two right into one. Now I'm interested to know that Europe, how much percentage, right? So let's just see. We can do a group by, and I want to look at by the regions, by the country counts, and I also look at the country data, right? So maybe I want to know the total tonnage. So that one I will use a sum. Yes, this one count by the January or on the 19, and this one total milliton by 18 by the sum, but this one count by January ton millitons. At this one come from the or just the data, right? So I want everything's all rows and click OK. So there are 28 countries from Asia Pacific. Is comprised of 96,000, right? You see, quite substantial, isn't it, right? And we do sorting, descending to ascending, right? Asia Pacific still number one, right? And so now we have some data here. These are country. Now we can do some interesting things, right? So I'll just not do sort. So go here. I want to extract only the country, right? So I change that country, change it to list. All right. So I have this 28 countries is listed right here, and yep. So yeah, we have the list, right? Then I can use this to extract the value. Extract is comma. Click OK. So these are the countries, right? And yeah, United States under North America. See, well, right? We got it done right now. We can load it to put it to new worksheet. Click OK. Okay, the rest is simple, right? Just right click insert, right? You already have this total rows. I'll just change the sum of these, right? And I do this, divide by this. So, and then I just do, so now I know that it's 18% compared to 57% from this, right? So Asia Pacific, these are the list. So who are there, right? Let's go get 56%. No. Let's see. Yeah, these are the one, right? So, but I want to know that data, that merging them together. So I might want to do a further analysis. But anyway, I demonstrate to you how to use these to find uh, the data you want, to present, to analyze it further, and also how to use PowerQuery. Thank you. So remember, if you think you're amazing and you believe you're amazing, you can do amazing things. Thank you. I wish you well, of course. I wish that people will go to this website and really look into the that our country, Malaysia, right? The truth about that Malaysia is actually the carbon sink, the largest, one of the largest carbon sink in the world. What does it mean, carbon sink? It means it's diminished carbon dioxide, cool and oxygenate the air, help fight global warming. Now, that is what we contribute to the world, right? So, 80% of Malaysia has green tree cover. Okay, so these sources are from our statistic, country statistic, MPOC. So, thank you for supporting Malaysia. Buying palm oil is good for your health. Yep. Thank you.